So this is just a quick clip to show some of the automated site planning capabilities of HTZ. Again, this is based off the HTZ Web API. It's just a quick GUI my colleague Chris spun up. Yeah, let's jump straight into the workflow. And so all the computation is happening in the HTZ backend. But again, this could be any client on any device, basically. So we're just going to zoom in on a specific area, and then so for automated site planning, we have the basic site searching capability, which identifies the best location for a single site. So it has specific algorithms for finding the best location. In this case, we're going to deploy a whole bunch of tactical 5G sites, and we're just constructing the polygon right now for the region of interest, or the area of interest. And once we have the so you can specify the polygon right through the GUI. And we're going to go straight into the network planning. And over here, this is where you're selecting the specific template for the type of station. So we've got some templates for 5G sites. Again, for simplicity, we're just going to use Omni antennas. And at 10-meter transmitter height. And let's say the maximum number of sites we're going to deploy is five sites, up to 5 sites to cover the polygon. Receiver heights, as well as this is just a quick metric to show that once you receive 90% coverage over the area of interest, it's going to stop placing new sites. It's not going to continue placing more sites. That's pretty much it. Yeah. Alrighty. And then, so basically you can have both the planning based off field strength, which is going to take slightly longer, and the line of sight analysis, which is going to be much more rapid. And for now, we're just going to select that option. So the calculations will be based on line of sight. Over here is what we call the coverage criteria. Does it need to be? Do we need to have sufficient coverage over all this different types of clutter? And yes, we do want coverage to expand over all the different types of clutter. And what we want to do here is we want to specify the actual locations of the sites, the 5G tactical sites. So let's say we're only able to produce the 5G sites, we're only able to place the 5G sites on the roads or a certain type of clutter, so you can fix this specifically. And this will be super useful as well. And I think we're ready to run this automated site planning. So one of the reasons where this can come in handy is basically, well, so a lot of these capabilities are also available in HTZ, right? You can do the automated site planning, but again, this vastly streamlines it, dumbs it down, so it's a very simple workflow. You select the specific site template, and after that, you select the polygon site template, and basically the parameters for how many sites you're willing to place in that particular region. All right, let's see. So again, it's a bit computation heavy, this process, so it's taking a little bit of time. Alrighty, and it's done. Let's have a quick look. You can see that the new sites have been placed, and based on the criteria that we gave it, they have to be placed on roads, on the road clutter type, and basically I think we have enough sites to get 90% coverage of the area. So that's basically, and can we visualize the coverage as well? So look. So now we're just sort of like composite coverage calculation. For the entire area, and coverage will be restricted to this polygon as well. Well, we had a couple of other sites there. Just want to deactivate all of that and only focus on these 5G sites. Yeah, just running the composite coverage now. All right, so that gives us a pretty good idea of the penetration of the coverage. These 5G sites, we can see, pretty good penetration across the roads, but obviously, being 5G and being a dense urban area, it's going to, be cut off as well. And the clear indication of this 5G, because we capped the automated site planning to just 5 sites, a maximum of 5 sites. It's very clear that it's not enough to get 90% coverage. We actually need to keep placing more sites. So it's probably a good idea to set the percentage as 90% and maybe pick a higher number of sites, higher number of max sites to get sufficient coverage. And maybe we can rerun the same workflow with 10 sites. But that's pretty much it, what we wanted to show you. Just a quick automated site planning video through the web API, HTZ web API. Right.